Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the Vivo Y16 for fast charging. Use the original Vivo adapter or a USB-C PD charger rated 33W or higher because the phone negotiates higher current. Once plugged in, enable airplane mode and close background apps to lower power draw so more current goes to the battery. Make sure screen brightness is low and the USB-C connector seats fully. If the cable is loose, the phone will throttle. Do this now to maximize charging efficiency from the first minute. Now you optimize how the phone accepts charge. Disable background sync and animations because the processor and radios will draw less power, allowing the charger to push more current to the battery. Once done, confirm the charger negotiated fast charge in settings or on-screen indicator. If not, reseat cable and try another PD-capable charger. Make sure the phone rests on a cool, flat surface. Thermal sensors reduce charging speed if the device gets warm, so cooling helps maintain higher charge rate. To finish efficiently, aim for a quick top-up to 50 to 80% when you need fast power. Past that, the charging curve slows to protect battery health. Once done, unplug by holding the connector steady and avoid yanking the cable. If charging remains slow, try a different PD33W Plus charger and cable to isolate hardware. Restart the phone and check for system updates because firmware controls charging negotiation. If the problem persists, contact Vivo support. There may be a port or battery issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.